So this is a coffee bar. It is adorable. It's for my mother. She loves it. She says she hangs her cups. It has little hangers right here, so you can hang your cups. She bought this separately. This is her little coffee thing. But yeah, there's a drawer. Then it also has 2 shelves for any storage space. You can probably put one of those little cloth storage containers down there. It'll look really nice. But she loves it. It's not super tall, but it's also not short. It's about, I'm 5'4", and it goes past my shoulder, so it's okay. I like it. She's short, so this is a comparison. But yeah, we love it, and it's definitely a good buy.
Your drink?